Okay, so how cool does this look? I am driving into Disney at 9:10 p.m. and it looks like I'm driving into daylight. All the parking lot lights with the fog makes a really cool effect. And there's nobody else driving around me right now because I'm coming in at 9 p.m. So that's pretty dang nifty. Let's go to Disney. So the good thing about coming to Disney at 9 p.m. I can park wherever I want pretty much. So I'm gonna remember my parking spot. I'm like over here by the monorail, and I gotta remember where my car is. Can't lose that. Kind of have to have my car. So yeah, let's go into Disney on this misty, wintry Florida day. I'm excited. It looks like I'm at Disney during the Armageddon because that's what I feel like. I feel like the sky is on fire right now over there, burning. But I'm at Disney, so I guess I'm safe. Check out the castle. It looks neat. Alright, we're in New Fantasyland at night. Gonna go try to ride Ariel's ride this time. Hopefully, it's not 100 minutes. Cross our fingers. 20 minutes is a whole lot better. Let's do this thing. Let's go see Ariel. At night, no less. Oh, look at little crabs. That wasn't bad. That was like 5 minutes of walking.
They were working too hard sorting Ariel's human stuff. I wanna see them dancing, walking around on those, what do you call them? Feet. Flipping your feet to get too far. Legs are required for jumping, dancing straight.
This set goes under the sea, under the sea, under the sea. Since life is in you, we got to be naturally.
You know that belongs to get the girl into a help.
Yes, indeed. Those poor unfortunate souls, so snappy, so.
Sha-la-la-la-la-la, my oh my, like a bunch of shy, gonna kiss the girl.
Construction for the roller coaster is moving right along. Check that out. See part of the track over there? I'm excited for that one. That one's gonna be awesome. Alright, we're coming over here because Michael and I didn't make it to it the last time. This is a little circus area where Duke Dumbo is. Pretty! And the Big Top Souvenirs. Gonna go check out the Big Top Souvenirs. Apparently there's some good stuff in here. Alright guys, please tell me, what is this red apple? Because I can't figure it out. I don't know what it's supposed to be, but it looks very sad. Tell me what it is, please. It's the new Dumbo. Pretty. Haunted Mansion wait time is oddly specific tonight. 13 minutes. You better not be lying to me. It better be 13 minutes exactly. I'm looking at my phone now. We'll see. It is 10:32. Let's see.
This dismaying observation. This chamber has no windows and no doors.
Slowest ride ever in the front. Whee! Castle now with a whole lot less people in front of it. It's greenish. The most thrilling ride at Disney. The People Mover. It's blurry. Fantastic. Awesome.
This is your chance to drive in the fast lane without worrying about getting a speeding ticket.
I've still never been on that ride before. Is that weird? Good time.
Come in, Space Ranger. You leave me.
I think I lost. Just a hunch. I don't think I won. Well, that's a pretty productive night at Disney. It is about 12:30 a.m. right now, so I've been here for about 3 hours. Got to do pretty much all the major rides except for Pirates. Pirates' line was crazy. So now I'm leaving the park with all of these people, and it still looks crazy out. But yeah, it was a great time, and I'm sure I'll talk some more. I think I'm gonna stop by and get something delicious to take the boyfriend as a surprise. Shh, don't tell. Well, that was a good time. Nice, chilly, misty evening in Magic Kingdom where it wasn't that busy. And that's it for this trip. And probably next time all the Christmas decorations will be gone. So who's ready for that? I am. All right, later.